Alright, it's November 13th, 2011, and I'm looking at the rain garden at the Oregon Convention Center in Portland. This is essentially the top of the rain garden, the uppermost area where the roof water falls into the garden. Travels about 50 feet down and then goes underneath this large paved area, which is about another 50 feet. Going down probably about 2% slope. So the water comes out from under the concrete and then heads under this boardwalk. Boardwalk, I think, allows vehicles to get up here for performers and people to get through to the back. Looks like the wood is needed replacement. So this is basically what most of the rain garden looks like. A lot of rushes. The other grasses are mostly non-natives. I think that's a miscanthus grass, the purple seed heads over there. And then it's fountain grass inside down at the bottom with the whitish seed heads. So you're basically right on the side of the street here. Got the freeway, and here's the rain garden. It's divided with these stone weirs. This is all basalt, and the weirs are cemented together, and they stop the water like little check dams, which then slow the water down and in theory allow it to infiltrate above, and then when it reaches the top, it goes down to the next. It's actually quite fun to walk out across the weirs, which is where I'm standing right now. It's been barely anybody here. It's gray, but not raining. And this is sort of the main educational feature of the park, is just this one sign, which I have photos of. And you can see they have some lighting, uplighting inside the garden. You get a little idea of scale there with the guy running past. Essentially, it keeps going down, and I'm gonna stop now and then take a look at what happens at the bottom.